Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all of you, and I welcome all of you in this splendid workshop conducted by English Olympiad organizers, and I'm really delighted, and my heartfelt thanks goes to the organizer, the audience, for having such a splendid session with all of us. Dear audience, recently Cadet Tafsir, Cadet Raid and Cadet Hasib had reviewed this workshop, but right now I'm going to say something which is unique and which is out of the box. At first, I would like to start with a story. It was dead at night, pin drop silence. Even the owls stopped their howling. Other than the guards, each and every one of us were asleep. But I could not sleep. I was sitting beside a window, looking out, and teardrops were rolling down my cheeks. Because as I live in a military institution, Faujdarhat Cadet College, I was badly remembering my own beloved mother. Ladies and gentlemen, you all may ask that why am I coming up with my mother? It's because it's something personal, and if you want to know what is the relation of this speech between this workshop and my own personal opinion, stick till the end, because there is a twist in this very speech. Ladies and gentlemen, as I live in a military institution, Faujdarhat Cadet College, normally I do not get acquaintance with my mother, as my mother lives far away in our own home and I have to attend the working days without her. In each and every activities in my life, I remember her. When I go to the dining hall to have my dinner, I remember her. I remember her sweet dishes and the reason behind my tight pants. Dear audience, whenever I see people, the civil people who are going with their mothers, then I remember that how sweet memories I had with her. And right now I am here without her. Dear audience, whenever I think of her, teardrops automatically roll down from my cheeks. And in cadet colleges, we have 2 times phone call for 5 minutes. And each and every time when that 5 minutes end, I start to cry because I need those heavenly 5 minutes back to me. Dear audience, it is a subcontinental mentality that we as sons, as daughters, cannot say that how much we love our mother. We cannot say directly that mother, I love you. Even when we try the hardest to say to her that mother, I love you, at that very point she stops us, say that hold on, stop the drama, tell me what you want. But right now, as all of you as witness, I do not know if she can feel me or not. But right now, I like to say that mother, wherever you are, I love you and thank you for making the man who I am right now. And now, my dear audience, if you all think that what was the relation between this speech and today's workshop, it was that 2 years back, I was asked to tell when I remember my mother, what do I do? And I stammered a lot. I could not even speak a single word in front of an audience of only 20 people. But right now I'm speaking in front of a camera. Right now I'm speaking confidently just because this workshop made me realize how to give a speech using ethos, logos and pathos. This workshop taught me how to pronounce words using IPA, International Phonetics of Alphabet. This workshop made me confident to deliver a speech in front of such a nice and such a lovely audience. Dear audience, I was really delighted to be a part of this workshop because I right now am speaking in front of all of you as a product of today's workshop arranged by the community of English Olympiad. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for your patience hearing.